Hi, let's solve for the value of x. First, we need to bring this to the other side of the equation. So we are going to have x to the power of 3 plus x minus 350 is equal to 0. Now, we need a number to the power of 3, and that number again, right? That is going to complement this 350. Yes, this is what I mean. 350 can be expressed as, we can express 350 as 343 plus 7. All right? Yeah, is equal to 0. Now we have x to the power of 3 plus x. Now when this minus multiplies 343, we are going to have minus 343. And when this minus multiplies plus 7, we are going to have minus 7 is equal to 0. So we have that x to the power of 3 plus x minus 7 to the power of 3 minus 7 is equal to 0. So I have this to the power of 3 and this to the power of 3. That is what I was trying to explain. Okay, now let's bring the this and this together, and then I transfer this to this side. So I will have x to the power of 3 minus 7 to the power of 3 plus x minus 7 is equal to 0. Now let us recall this algebra identity that states that a to the power of 3 minus b to the power of 3 is equal to a minus b multiplied by a squared plus ab plus b squared. Okay, so we are going to express this in this form, where our a is equal to x and our b is equal to 7. So we are going to write thus. So this will be the same thing as a minus b, that is x minus 7, okay, multiplied by a squared, that is x squared, plus ab, that is 7 times x, which is 7x, plus b squared, that is 7 squared, plus 7 squared. Okay, let's call this 49. Let's call it 49 because 7 squared is 49. All right, then plus x minus 7 is equal to 0. All right, now we have x minus 7 and x minus 7, so we can actually factorize that out. So to do that, we have x minus 7, then we open our brackets. When the whole of this is divided by this we cancel this and we have this left, right? So we have x squared plus 7x plus 49. All right, and when this is divided by this, you have 1. So let's just add the 1 here. Okay, is equal to 0. Now I hope you are enjoying this video. So when you have something like this, so in this case we have that x minus 7 multiplied by x squared plus 7x plus 49 plus 1 is equal to 0. So we can then write that x minus 7 multiplied by x squared plus 7x plus 50 is equal to 0. Okay, then at this point we can then write that x minus 7 is equal to 0, or x squared plus 7x plus 50 is equal to 0. Now from the left hand side of this equation, we can see that our x is equal to, if I transpose this minus 7 to the other side of the equation, I will have plus 7. Okay, then for this side, we are going to use the quadratic equation formula. All right, and this equation formula states that x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. All right, I want us to recall the ideal form of a quadratic equation, which is ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So if we should compare this to this, it simply means that our a is what? 1, which is the coefficient of x squared. Our b is what? 7, the coefficient of x, while our c is constant, which is plus 50. Okay, now we are going to substitute these values into this particular formula, right? Now So we can write that x is equal to minus b, that is minus 7, plus or minus the square root of b squared, that is 7 squared, minus 4ac, that is 4 multiplied by a, which is 1, multiplied by c, which is 50, and everything is divided by 2 multiplied by a, which is 1. Okay, so we can write from here, okay, let's continue here, that x is equal to minus 7 minus, so 4 times 50 will give us 200. Oh, sorry, minus 7 plus or minus, this place is small, let's try to get something from here. Okay, sorry, this is 4 multiplied by 4ac, 1 and 50. Okay, now we continue from here, that x is equal to minus 7 plus or minus the square root of, now 7 squared is 49, right? So we have 49, then minus 4 times 50 will give us 200. Everything divided by 2. Okay, so we can now clean this, we don't really need them anymore. Now we have that x is equal to minus 7 plus or minus the square root of, now 49 minus 200 will give us minus 151. Yeah, divided by 2. So our x is equal to minus 7 plus root, oh, this is minus 151. 49 minus 200 is minus 151. Okay, so it's going to be root 151 multiplied by I. Yes, because minus 151 is same thing as minus, is same thing as 151 multiplied by minus 1, and square root of minus 1 is I. Okay, divided by 2. Therefore x is minus 7 plus root 151 I divided by 2, and our x2 is also minus 7 minus root 151 I divided by 2. So these are the three values of x. X is equal to 7, x is equal to this, and x is equal to this. Thank you so much for watching and have a lovely day.